नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद. Enunciating texts 22, 23, 24 and 25 of chapter 18. The battle between Lord Bor and the demon Hiranyaksha of 3rd canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Texts 22-23. ब्रह्मोवाच एष ते देव देवाना मनघ्री मूलमुपेयुषां विप्राणां सौरभेयिणां भूतानामप्यनागसाम् आगस्कृद भयकृद दुष्कृद स्मदरार्थ वरो असुरः अन्वेषन् प्रतिरथो लोकांटति कंटकः. Lord Brahma said, "My dear Lord, this demon has proved to be a constant pinprick to the demigods, the Brahmanas, the cows and innocent persons who are spotless and always dependent upon worshipping your lotus feet. He has become a source of fear by unnecessarily harassing them. Since he has attained a boon from me, he has become a demon, always searching for a proper combatant, wandering all over the universe for this infamous purpose. There are two classes of living entities. One is called Sura or the demigods, and the other is called Asur or the demons. Demons are generally fond of worshipping the demigods, and there are evidences that by such worship they get extensive power for their sense gratification. This later proves to be a cause of trouble to the Brahmanas, demigods, and other innocent living entities. Demons habitually find fault with the demigods, Brahmanas, and innocent, to whom they are a constant source of fear. The way of the demon is to take power from the demigods and then tease the demigods themselves. There is an instance of a great devotee of Lord Shiv who obtains a boon from Lord Shiv that the head of whomever he touched with his hand would cut off its trunk. As soon as the boon was offered to him, the demon wanted to touch the very head of Lord Shiv. That is their way. The devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead do not, however, ask any favor for sense gratification. Even if they are offered liberation, they refuse it. They are happy simply engaging in the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Text 24. Mainam mayavinam druptam nirankusham sattamama akrida balavada deva yathashi visha buddhitam. Lord Brahma continued, "My dear Lord, there is no need to play with this serpentine demon who is always very skilled in conjuring tricks and is arrogant, self-sufficient, and most wicked. No one is unhappy when a serpent is killed. It is a practice among village boys to catch a serpent by the tail and play with it for some time and then kill it. Similarly, the Lord could have killed the demon at once, but he played with him in the same way as a child plays with a snake before killing him." Brahma requested, however, that since the demon was more wicked and undesirable than a serpent, there was no need to play with him. It was his wish that he be killed at once, without delay. Text 25. न यावदेश वर्धेत स्वां वेलां प्राप्य दारुणः स्वां देव मायामास्थाय तावज्जहय घमच्युत. Brahma continued, "My dear Lord, you are infallible. Please kill this sinful demon before the demoniac hour arrives and he presents another formidable approach favorable to him. You can kill him by your internal potency without doubt." Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.